You are looking at O'Hare International Airport in Chicago, Illinois. It is one of the busiest airports in the United States. Hundreds of thousands of people pass through O'Hare each day. That adds up to millions of airplane passengers a year. Chicago has always been a transportation hub, or a center for moving goods and people. In the 1800s, railroad tracks fanned out from Chicago across the Midwest. Trains left Chicago every day, carrying goods from factories to small farming towns. The trains returned loaded with corn, wheat, and livestock for the big cities. Today, railroads, highways, airports, rivers, and lakes move more people and goods into and out of Chicago than they do any other American city. Moving all these people and goods is a big business. O'Hare International Airport by itself employs 50,000 workers. As an economist, I know how important transportation is to the economy of the Midwest. Last year, for example, my college friend from Iowa sold his entire soybean crop to a buyer in Japan. Without a good transportation system, how could my farmer friend move his crop halfway around the world?